pretty cool. And then you would do it again, but what you do is you go in between this one, in between that one, in between that one, in between that, you know what I mean? Now you just sort it all out. Then you grab your air again, and then you blow it off again. So I'll do it again, just for your shits and giggles. Drop some weld there. So. So now we're getting closer. We put that air piece chuck in there again. So now that you got, like, say, now we got that, like, you got a few more places you can tell that, like, that one needs to be done, that one needs to be done. Then, like, you close it in there, and all the places that have a little distance in between them, you're trying to get them all the same. Yep. And then what I'm saying, after we get that done and you get it blown off, this is what I would do. This is what I would do. Now you have that distance. I like 4 spots at a time. I try never continuously weld it because it's going to get hot. This is the exact same thing as if you pump your brakes when we're coming down the hill. Keeps your brakes cool. If you want to hold your brakes all the way down, you know what happens? You've got your brakes so hot that sometimes you got drum brakes, you're not going to have any brakes by the time you get down. If you go and weld that down, you're going to have a mess. It's going to be warped up on you because the heat's going to go crazy. What the game on this part is try to keep the heat contained. So now that you've got it all the way around, we haven't heated it up nowheres, we're spotting it, just like you're pumping your brakes. Yep. We did that fire first, and then we went in between them, got them connected. So now I'm saying, we got a little wind coming through the door. I'm not sure if that's going to hold me up. So I'm just going to take and do this. So 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot, 4 spot. We're on to the air. We're saying that's cool. We'll move around. I'll do the easiest spots because that's kind of where it's at. And every time you do that, try to let the red go away before you hit it again. Just blow that, clear that off. I can almost touch it. No heat there if I can touch it, right? That's good. So we'll go up here. Let the red go away. Get yourself a blowgun. That way there you can have it there ready for you at all times. You can just pick it up and blow it cool. So that's what I suggest on the whole thing. We'll just take and scrub it off of this and just show you what we're going for. When you're grinding that, we don't want to grind that, or we don't want to grind that. We have nothing against it. All we want to do is make that look nice.